Hey everyone, welcome back to Cybrosys. Freelancers and agencies wear multiple hats every single day. Managing clients, sending quotations, tracking projects, invoices, payments, meetings, deadlines, and most businesses still use disconnected tools for everything. But what if you could manage your entire freelancing or agency workflow using one system? Introducing Odoo Community Edition, the smart, flexible, and affordable business platform for freelancers and agencies. Why freelancers and agencies need Odoo? Whether you're a freelancer, marketing agency, design studio, software company, consultancy, content creator, or even digital agency, Odoo Community helps to organize your entire business workflow in one place, from client acquisition to project delivery. So everything stays connected over here. Now, let's begin. So for beginning, we need the CRM and client management. So every project obviously starts with a client. With Odoo CRM, you can capture the leads, track the opportunities, schedule the follow-ups, manage meetings, organize your sales pipeline, and you always know which deals are active, which proposals are pending, which clients need follow up, and no more sticky notes or forgotten leads. So go to the configuration settings first, and then you have to make sure that the leads are enabled, and then save it, because only when you enable the leads this menu appears over here. Okay, next is, here you can actually go to the leads and see all the leads which are present. Along with that, you can generate and create new leads. Next is next we have the sales module where you can create professional quotations in minutes using the Odoo sales, where freelancers and agencies can offer service packages, add the project pricing, configure taxes and apply discounts, send branded quotations instantly. So once approved, it becomes sale order automatically. Now I'll simply show you how it works. Go to the orders in the sales, choose the quotations and click on new. This is where you can actually create a new quotation. Okay, so if you are a content creator or anything, okay, so any kind of projects and all can be set up as a product, and then this can be sold to a customer. So you can create a sale order from here. You can choose the customer, add the product, whatever the product is, and simply confirm it to a sale order. It's that simple, and automatically the delivery and all will be generated. Then comes the project and task management. So managing the project becomes effortless with the Odoo project module. So here you have the project. Now the clients might create projects, team tasks should be created, deadlines, work stages, progress update, and all such things can be easily managed using the project module. So if you take a project or create a new project, so I'll simply create a new project where I'm giving the name as new add. Okay. The timesheet is enabled. I'm going to click on create project. So as soon as you create a project, you can create different stages. So I'm giving it as in progress. Next, editing, review, and done. So 4 stages I have created over here. Again, you can create different stages. And the next thing is to create tasks under each of the stages. So I'll simply give as new shoot or something. You can add assignees to the task. Set priorities to the task that you've created. And then drag and drop it according to the different stages. Okay, so agencies can assign tasks to designers, developers, editors, marketers, and even content creators. Everything stays, or everyone stays aligned in one centralized workplace. Then comes the timesheet and tracking. So if you click on this particular task, you can see the timesheet over here. So for service-based businesses, time is money. Odoo allows freelancers and agencies to track the billable hours, monitor the productivity, and record the timesheet You can also analyze the project profitability from here. So I am adding the timesheet here, adding the date, the description, and the time spent over a task. So I'm giving 4.5 hours. Let it be there. Okay, so this is how you can add the timesheet for a particular task. This will help you to improve the efficiency and client billing accuracy. And then comes the accounting section. So if you go to the accounting, now as you all know, we don't have the accounting module here. Instead, we have the invoicing. So Odoo Community simplifies the accounting and invoicing workflows. You can generate invoices instantly by clicking on the customer invoices, click on new and create a new invoice from here. You can track the payment and manage the expenses and monitor revenue in real time. When a project is completed, customer invoices can be created automatically, and this reduces manual work and keep finances organized. So these are the different things that might be useful while you are doing, you know, a freelance works and all. Okay, so if you are working for freelance as a freelancer or not, you can make use of this particular software, be it any department. Okay, and one more thing I have to add on is that take Odoo everywhere with MOBO, the mobile suite for Odoo by Cybrosys. So with MOBO, freelancers and agencies can manage business operations directly from mobile devices. It's not necessary that all the time you have to carry your system everywhere you go, right? In such cases, you can use or make use of MOBO. Okay, so it has access to modules like the CRM, sales, projects, task, and all such things. Anytime, anywhere you're meeting clients, traveling, or working remotely, your business stays connected in your pocket. So Odoo Community is designed for productivity with its modern interface and connected workflow. The task updates automatically, notification keep the teams informed, documents stay organized, business data stays centralized, and this helps the agencies to reduce chaos and focus on growth. So that's it, guys. If you are a freelancer or agency looking for simple operations, Odoo Community gives you the tools and Cybrosys helps you to make the most of them. One platform, one workflow, unlimited possibilities powered by Odoo, implemented by Cybrosys. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.